Innovating sleep since its inception in 1894, Englander is proud to introduce the first ever fully microfiber flocked luxury airbed. Providing the authentic feel of a regular mattress, you'll never know you're sleeping on air. Designed for exceptional durability, the Englander airbed can stand up to everyday use without deforming over time. Upgraded, reinforced inner coil beam technology promises dependable support year after year. All Englander airbeds come with a built-in high airflow volume pump. This means inflation takes just 90 seconds for the twin, 2 minutes for the queen, and 2.5 minutes for a California king. Englander's supremely soft microfiber covering is not only waterproof and easy to care for, but also provides the optimal temperature for sleeping. Never worry about waking up overheated or chilled again. Plus, microfiber provides more resistance to both puncture and abrasion. Select between brown and black microfiber in twin, queen, or California king sizes. Each Air mattress fits regular bed sheets. The twin-size bed features an additional 4 inches of width over other comparable airbeds, providing more stability while you sleep. Englander Air mattresses provide unparalleled quality, uncompromised comfort, and unrivaled durability. It's better sleep by design.
The Beautyrest Everfirm Airbed is designed to give your guests customized support for a wonderful night's sleep. The Everfirm mattress uses a convenient built-in air pump to provide that extra bed in less than 3 minutes. Enjoy contouring support with the unique dual coil construction. The coil-in-coil design reduces pressure on your body and cuts down on motion transfer when 2 people are using the bed. This, combined with a no-sag edge, gives you a comfortable, springy mattress-like feel while offering superior support for a great night's sleep. The Everfirm technology monitors air pressure throughout the night and will adjust the mattress to your desired comfort and support using a patented silent pump. The second pump allows you to set your comfort to firm, medium, or soft, or it can simply be turned off. Whether you are a side sleeper, back sleeper, or stomach sleeper, the mattress will adjust to you automatically. Designed and engineered in the USA, the Everfirm mattress is constructed of a heavy-duty, puncture-resistant vinyl, which is also resistant to dust mites. The soft texture of velveteen fabric on the top of the bed creates a plush, mattress-like sleep surface that can maintain its firmness all night long. The Everfirm mattress is extremely durable and supports up to 750 pounds. The no-sag edge allows you to sleep at the edge of the mattress without worrying about rolling off, and the no-tip base makes it safe and easy to get in and out of the bed. Built at a traditional mattress and foundation height, the mattress sits high off the floor and works well with deep pocket bed sheets. Storing away the airbed and pump is quick and easy with the convenient storage bag that is included. You and your guests will enjoy the comfort and superior support of the Beautyrest Everfirm Airbed. It stays firm all night long for the best sleep ever.
This bed has never flat pump technology, meaning that the bed truly never goes flat. There's a silent pump that kicks on throughout the night if it senses any drop in pressure, so you can rest assured that the bed will maintain the same level of firmness throughout the night. Another feature that makes this airbed unique is that it has a self-inflating option. You plug it in, you turn it on the desired firmness setting, the bed inflates, and then it shuts off on its own, so you can set it and forget it. What's also unique about that feature is it has a self-deflating option as well, so cleanup is just as easy. Additional features of this bed are the flocked top. This velveteen material allows your sheets to stay in place throughout the night. The supportive coil construction really does make this bed feel like your bed at home. The problem with regular airbeds is that they get saggy over time. Rest assured that with our airbed, you're guaranteed to have a restful night's sleep, so you'll never wake up on a flat airbed again.
It's where comfort meets stability for an amazing sleeping experience. Introducing the 22-inch Comfort Plush from the Dura-Beam Plus series by Intex. Built with horizontal fiber-tech interior construction with 8 additional diagonal support beams, the Comfort Plush provides enhanced top-of-the-line construction. Unique edge-to-edge construction allows for a larger sleeping surface and mattress stability. Surround yourself in softness with a plush, velvety pillow top. The horizontal airflow chambers provide added stability and support around the entire bed. A powerful built-in pump makes it easy to inflate and deflate. And a carry bag is included for portability. The 22-inch Comfort Plush from the Dura-Beam Plus series by Intex. The sleep you've always dreamed of.